Hi everyone, welcome to Everywhere channel.
Education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. Nelson Mandela.
Hi everyone, welcome to EveryView channel. Okay, last session we discussed how to find the total marks, average and other stuffs, right? Today we are going to find the results, grade and rank, right? So results mean what? Okay, if a student got particular average or marks, right? So he is pass, otherwise fail, right? So find this, what I will do is I will take criteria as average, right? So that is for to find this, my first criteria, my condition is if average is equal or greater than or equal to 35, that student is pass, others are fail. This is my condition, right? So when you are using a condition, if you always use if function. So if this is okay, then other one is correct. This is correct, other one is false. So this kind of conditions to fulfill only, we are using if condition, right? Okay, we'll start the lesson. So first task is I want to find the students' results, right? So as a criteria, what I will give is if a student's got total average greater than or equal to 35, that student is pass, others are fail, right? If you check this average column manually, yeah, you can find it. So first one is 77.40. That means definitely that student is pass, right? If you go to bottom, that Robert, that student got only 26.8. That means he is failed. Why he is failed? He got less than 35 marks. Okay, right. Here is fine because he only 10 students records. If you have more students records, we can't use on this way. So to, to find the solution, so what we can do is we can use if condition. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. First step, I am always telling you, please remember this. When you are using a function or formula, you should press in keyboard first equal sign. Then my condition is if. If I press if, the if conditions will be listed. So what I can do is if I press tab, yes, there are three criteria are there. First criteria is logical test. Logical test means from where you want to find this results. So I am trying to get this average as a logical test. What is my condition? This average is greater than or equal 35, right? So what we are giving for them? Pass. Please remember very important thing. So when you are giving a condition as a word or letter, you should always use double colon, start and end. If you are giving a numbers, no problem. You can just give the number. For example, if average is greater than or equal to 35, we are giving 1. No need to use double colon. But if you are giving as a condition, as a word or letter, you should always use double colon, start and end. Okay. So what is my condition? My condition is if average is greater than or equal to 35, that student getting pass result. So how I can give this? Sorry. How I can give this? Just go there and press double colon, PASS, pass, and close the double colon. So now I fulfill second criteria. Third criteria is saying if it's true, is fine, others are false. That means that is average is greater than 35, then we are giving pass. Others are what? Others are fail. So same thing, open double colon, FAIL and close the double colon. Then finally they are saying to close the bracket. Then enter. Then what will happen? So I got the results for Ronaldo, pass. Yes, exactly, his pass. Why? Because his average is greater than or equal to 35 because he got 77.40. So previous lesson also I teach you, if you got one results using formula or function, if you want to apply for others, no need to again and again, no need to apply for this function. You just go to that cell's right side corner and your mouse cursor will be changed to black color plus mark. If you just double click it or drag it, that results will be applied for others as well, right? Okay, now fine, perfectly fine, right? But I have a doubt, is it correct or not, right? Okay, so how I can check? So computer is telling, okay, fine, but I have a doubt, maybe it's something wrong. So how I can find this is correct or wrong? Very simple. So what I can do is, I just change some records and I will check. Okay, here, this student, Richard, got 40.80. For the moment that his average is greater than or equal to 35. That means he is pass. What I will do is, I'll just reduce his marks, right? I just reduce chemistry to 34. Still, his average is 37.8. That means still he is pass. So he got 52 for maths. I will change this to 35. So what will happen now? Now, his average is become 34.40. That means that is less than 35. That is not equal or greater than or 35. If it's equal to greater than 35 is pass. So now his average is 34.40. That means less than 35. That means now his results is fail, right? Okay, this record is perfectly fine. Still I have doubt, this is correct or not. Again, what I can do is, I can change another record and check, right? I will put this student, who is this, Selena. She got 10 for economics, right? Then 45 for English. So now her average is 50.80, still greater than 35. So still pass. So what I can do is, chemistry I will change to 24. Now what is her average? 41.60, still pass. So 76, I will make this as 43. Now her average is 35. So what will be the result? It should be pass. Why? Because we gave two conditions. One condition is that average is greater than or equal 35. If the student got 35 also pass, more than 35 also pass, less than 35 only fail. Okay. So I changed two places my data, perfectly working. That means your formulas are correctly given and perfectly working. Okay. Right. Now I want to find the grade, right? Here 10 students records are there. So I want to find the grades. So I am giving some grades, right? So same if function I can use it. First I used only one time if function, but here I am using several times if function. This is called nested if. So nested if means we are continuously using if function, not one time, more than one time. We are using if function. Okay. So I want to find the grade of all 10 students. Always what I will do is, first I will find one student grade and I will apply for others, right? Okay, we'll start. So I want to find the Ronaldo's grade. To do this, I have some conditions. What is that conditions? My first condition is, if average is greater than or equal to 75, he is getting A grade, right? Again, second condition is if average is greater than or equal to 55, the student is getting B. Same like that, we have 5 conditions. Final condition is if average is less than 35, the student is F. That means he is failed. Okay, right. Now I will check how to apply this using if nested if function. Nested if means if is continuously coming more than one time, right? So what I can do is I will press equal if I press tab. Yes, it's asking the criteria. What is my criteria? Logical test. Now my logical test is I am trying to get the grade using logical test as a criteria total marks. So what I should do is I should select Ronaldo's total marks. Then they are saying to type comma. Okay, next one is value if true. See, I have 5 conditions, right? I can't give only one condition. So I want to fulfill all the conditions, right? So what I can do is, right? So what I can do is, first condition is average is greater than 75. So, sorry, yes, average is greater than 75. Many small mistake, sorry. So to find this, I will not take as a logical test as total marks. I will take as average, right? So equal if tab. So my first condition is this average is greater than or equal 75, comma, what is my grade? Should be A. Previously also I told when we are giving a condition, is it in letter or word, we always use double colon, start, then end, then comma. So now I successfully type my first condition. What is my second condition? Second condition is saying that same average greater than or equal to 55, then student is getting B. So same thing. What I can do is, right, if again open bracket, my second condition is this total average greater than or equal 55, then I can give them B grade. Again, I will close the double colon, comma, right? My second condition is already done. Third one is if, right, open bracket, average greater than or equal 45, then that student is get what? Student is getting C grade, comma. My fourth condition is if open bracket. So I want to find this average cell. So what is that average cell is H12. So what I can do is I open the bracket already. I press H12 greater than or equal. What is my condition? 35. So that student is getting simple pass. That means S. Then my final condition is if open bracket, this average is less than, not equal, because that equal condition is already fulfilled with previous one. Now I have only the last lesson, last condition. Last condition is that average is less than 35, that student is getting, the student is failed. That is, he is getting only F result. Okay, now very important thing. See, now I give all the conditions. I finish my all if conditions are given, right? So my final part is very important. From here, you start, how many times you start brackets? How many times you open brackets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then same thing, you should close also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then enter. Right. Then you got the grade. So Ronaldo got 77.40 as total average. So I'm giving him A grade because why I'm giving him grade A? He got more than 75 marks. So my first condition is if a student got greater than or equal to 75, the student is getting A grade, right? So I told you, if I got one condition fulfilled, one results I got it, I got the grade. So I want to apply for others. What I can do is, I just press this cell, go to right side corner, then my cursor will be changed to black color plus mark. Then if I double click, that results, that grade will be applied for others as well, right? If you want, is it correct or not? You can just change the data, just change it marks and you can correct this, right? This is fine, right? Last thing is, last task is, I want to find the rank. Rank means I'm giving students ranks, first, second, third, right? We have 10 students. We will check who is first, who is topper in my class, right? If you check manually, that who is that first one in my class, he should be definitely who? Ronaldo, because he got 387. Okay, here fine. I have few records. If I have more than 100 records, I can't go on this way. Then I should use function. So what is that function? Equal rank. If I press tab, sorry, if I correctly select rank, then I press tab, it will asking the criteria. What is my criteria? Rank, they are asking to number. Number means from where I want to find. So I am finding from this total marks, right? Comma, they are asking the reference. So reference means, so where this total marks is there. So I can't give one cell, I should give the whole column, comma. Then my final condition is, they're asking, you need these results rank as descending order or ascending order. Of course, I need descending order. Then I close the bracket. If I enter, yes, Ronaldo is first because he got 387. So what I can do is now, if I double click there, that results, that rank will be applied for others. Oops, problem. See, if I check these results, there a big issue. See, Ronaldo is fine because he got 387, he's first. That is perfectly fine. But if you check others, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 students are first. It won't be, no? Why? Because if you check Robert, he got only total marks as 134. But in my records, it's showing there, he is also first. It won't be. That means there should be some mistakes. Okay, we'll find. So first one is, we'll check if this is correct or not. If I double click there, yes, this is perfectly fine. It's selecting correct cell and selecting correct column, then everything is fine. This is okay. Right. If we go second one, if I double click there, oops, there's a mistake. What happened is, it's correct. It's selecting only second row and G column. It's selecting only G13. It won't be. It should be select G12 and that whole column. But here, what's happening is, it's moving because that first cell is not locked, right? Again, if I check third one also, yes, it's again moving. So to avoid this, what I can do is, I should lock the, what? I should lock this cell. So how I can do is, very easily. I should select that range, right? What is that range? G12, from G12 to G21. If I select this and press in keyboard F4, That means that cell is now locked. Now it won't be moved. If I press enter, it's fine. Now if I apply for others also, it's perfectly fine. Why? Now this is not moving. See, if I select the second one, fine. It select correctly second one and it's selecting whole column. So now this is correct. So always remember, when you are giving rank, you should lock this cell. You should lock this cell. This is called, always you should lock the cell. Right? Right. Now, my task is done. Right? I find the total marks, average results previously. Then here, I find here results, grade and rank. Right? Now I will do a small thing. So what I will do is, I just select this whole table because I want to get the ranks properly. I want 1, 2, 3, that order, right? So I want to find first, second, third, right? So what I can do is I will select total whole table. Then I go to data tab. From here, what I can do is I will select this table. I will go to data tab, press sort, right? So sort by what? Rank. So the sort function we are discussing later with fully detailing. There are so many interesting things are there, but just get an idea about this, what's happening here. Just sort by rank. So I need smallest to largest, right? If I want, I can give largest to small as well. So I will give smallest to largest, then press OK. It will give you the correct order. It will be sorted perfectly, right? So today this lesson, we discuss how to get the results using if condition and how to get the grade using nested if, and how to find the rank as well using rank function. I hope you understood my lesson. Thanks for watching my channel. Catch you in the next lesson. Have a nice day.
Thanks for watching my video. See you on next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.